please you. Don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall.
We're gonna come back already. The atmosphere set up by the instruments is so on point. I feel like we're in a puff